Hello everyone. Today I'm going to cook onion samosa. So let's prepare the dough first. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oil. Now mix it well. And now let's add water in small quantities. Keep doing this until we get the soft dough. So the dough is ready. It became so soft also. So now we can close it with a plate and keep it aside for 30 minutes. And in the meantime, let's prepare the onion stuffing. So first I'm taking poha 1/4 of a cup, and let's break it into small pieces. And next I've taken 1 onion, cut into thin slices like this, and 1 green chili cut into small pieces, and also I've got ginger garlic. And now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, and now I'm adding red chili powder 1/4 a teaspoon, coriander powder 1/4 a teaspoon, cumin powder less than 1/4 a teaspoon, and a pinch of turmeric powder, and finally chopped coriander leaves. And let's mix this well. So the stuffing is also ready, so now we can keep this aside. Now in a small bowl I'm taking 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and let's add little water and prepare like a paste. So the thick paste is also ready now. So it's been 30 minutes. Take a big chunk of dough and try to roll it as thin as possible. Make sure it is even and also as thin as possible. So now let's repeat this for the rest of the dough. Now let's take a tawa, turn on the heat. Once the tawa is hot, let's heat it for 10 seconds on both sides. Don't overcook it, just for 10 seconds on both sides. Now we can take it out and repeat this for other rolls also. Now I'm taking it to a cutting board. I'm going to cut on the sides just to make it look like a rectangle shape. Now I'm going to cut it into 3 equal halves. Just keep it to the sides and let's repeat it for the other one also. So these are ready now. Let's prepare the cone. So to prepare the cone, just find the center point and roll it upwards like this, and then apply the maida paste and close it like that so that we get a perfect cone shape. Now we can fill it with the onion stuffing. And let's close it carefully and apply the all-purpose flour paste on the sides so that we can seal it properly. Okay, so we got a triangle shape now. Let's keep it aside and let's repeat this. So these are ready. Now let's fry them in oil. Turn on the heat. And I'm adding oil now. So let's wait until the oil is hot. So the oil is hot now. So let's drop one by one. So it will take at least like 7 to 10 minutes. So it started turning to brown color. So I think like we can take it out now. So there's our samosa, guys. Please give a try and thanks for watching.